This is it. The all-new Audi A6 Avant.
What makes this car so special, I believe, is the perfect balance between sporty and proud and sharp and soft, and I think that's something only Audi can do. It all starts with the proportion. We have the big wheels, we have the long wheelbase, the hood, the front very prestigious, and then we have this flat and stretched cabin which is giving the car a very progressive attitude. At the front, it all starts with a single frame. We created a shape which is very unique. We have the rings sitting a little bit higher, so the car looks always very proud. The confidence comes from these sleek headlights sitting slightly above, and then these vertical air curtains on the side, they are helping us to show the status of this car. We wanted to create something very special for the rear. It has these typical Audi full surfaces. We have the rings sitting up high, and then something very special are the rear lights. For the first time is splitting them. So you have the top part with those eyes where the OLED functions are really showed as jewelry, and at the bottom, the more technical part. This gives a very, very unique feature to this car. Creating the A6 Avant was for us such a beautiful challenge. We have a very unique design language, and that's what we wanted to improve. So Audi's past was our inspiration. We wanted all these perfect shut lines, all these crisp lines together with the soft tension of the surfaces. We really believe the fusion of all these elements create a strong character for the A6 Avant. My name is Francesco D'Amore. I'm exterior designer at Audi, and this is the A6 Avant.
The new Audi A6 Avant is all about elegance and dynamics. And in the interior, you can experience that. Entering the A6 as a driver, you will see that everything is perfectly arranged around you. The digital stage in front of you is a reinterpretation of the Audi typical driver orientation. And because of its thin execution, it also seems to float. The comfortable and high-quality materials create a space which is warm and personal. We call it the soft wrap. We want you to feel comfortable and in control, whatever you do. In the Audi A6, the driver has the digital stage, while the co-driver can interact with the passenger infotainment display. Thanks to the active privacy mode, the co-driver can watch a movie during the trip without disturbing the driver. My name is Marko Dublanovic. I'm an interior designer at Audi, and this is the A6 Avant.
With a luggage capacity up to 503 liters for all the things you need. Also for traveling with the family. And if that's not enough, let's put some things on the roof. Luggage capacity is increased to around 1,500 liters with the rear seats folded down. The A6 Avant offers plenty of space and safety for sports equipment, inside and outside. And at the end, there's also a safe space for your furry friend. Come on!
Good aerodynamics is really a fundamental enabler for the vehicle's efficiency, and therefore also for its fuel economy and for its performance. The drag coefficient of the new Audi A6 Avant is 0.25 in its aerodynamically best configuration, which is a very impressive value in my view. Really fantastic. The development process of this vehicle, it reminds me of a long marathon that takes place over many years. We worked very intensively with computer simulations using new technologies that we hadn't used previously. Then we moved into the wind tunnel with clay models. And then the final testing was done on pre-production vehicles. The very sporty roofline of the vehicle was quite fundamental in achieving this result, but also very important were technical features like the active inlet shutters and the meticulous detail involved in optimizing the wheels. Personally, I'm extremely proud of the whole team that worked on this vehicle. Teamwork was really the key to success in this project. My name is Mone Islam. I'm the head of Aerodynamics and Aeroacoustics Development at Audi, and this is the Audi A6 Avant.
MHEV Plus stands for Mild Hybrid Electric Vehicle, and the plus of our system is an additional electric motor, the so-called powertrain generator. The system supports the combustion engine. It increases driving performance and driving comfort. The Audi A6 Avant also runs partly on electric power during slow-moving traffic. The advantages for our clients are the reduction of fuel consumption and carbon emission.
The priorities for the A6 are quite clear. Travel comfort, luxury class, long distance comfort. It should glide confidently over the road. Here we're coming to a bad stretch, and the task here is for the vehicle to glide over it very comfortably. And you can already tell that it's doing what a luxury class vehicle should do. We're now coming up to some large bumps, and we make sure that the suspension moves up and down very smoothly. It's only with the air suspension here that the perfect symbiosis of true ride comfort and sportiness is achieved. The car floats majestically along the road.